Welcome back again to another tutorial from Rookie Clover YouTube channel. On today's channel, I'll be teaching you guys how to cut this halter neck with a backless. So come along with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to on your notification bell so that you can get my videos anytime I post a new video. So come along with me as we do this tutorial. So how to get started? So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to fold your fabric into 180-degree flared. You can see it from the floor how we have folded it 180-degree flared. So after that, you are going to determine the wideness of your halter neck. You can see as I'm putting it on me, we are using like 8 inches. So if you divide 8 by 2, it will give you 4. So we are going to double it because we want the front to have these gathers at the front. So after placing your measurement, the 8, that's double of it, you place it, then you take your armhole. So after taking your armhole line, then you connect from that 8 to your armhole. After connecting, then you take the length of the choice of length that you want to make your gown to be. You take it. So after taking it, you just connect these lines together. So you're going to be the one to determine how big you want the down part to be. So you'll be the one to determine the circumference that you want it to be. The back, I will just put my front on my back, then I will just connect from the front chest line, that's the front armhole. I'll just use it to like a guide for me, like how open I want it to be. Sometimes you can see if you want your own to be lower, you can still bring your own lower. So but this is how I want my own. So what I will just do, I will just connect the lines from that point to this point, then I will just cut it. So that is it for this halter neck backless gown. So to deepen the front neck, I will just come down by 2 inches to deepen it. Then I will just connect it to the neck point. So you can see as I'm doing it, then I will just cut that part off. So just follow the procedure. So to achieve the toning of your neck, the front and the back, you are going to cut 1 inch strap. 1 inch strap. So that 1 inch strap, that is what you are going to use to turn the front neck like a channel where you are going to put your rope or your elastic to come out. So you can see I've already done it already, but I'm just showing you guys how you guys are going to do it. So then after doing the toning, then for the armhole, you just bend with 1/2 inch like that. You just bend it, the way you used to do your armhole. Then you need elastic they're going to fix at the back of it. Then you need your safety pin they're going to use to put the elastic in for it to gather at the back. So you can see that as I've put the safety pin with the. Once you get to the end of it, you secure with your sewing machine. You secure. Then after securing on both sides, you've done the back to the way you want it to, how firm you want it to be. You do the same thing at the front too. So after doing it at the front, then you join each side with 1/2 inch. So join each side with 1/2 inch. Just sew each side with 1/2 inch. That is all. Then the down part, you hem it. You hem the down part. You hem. Either you can hem or you can weave. Depends on how you want it to be. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys for always watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more of my video. Thank you. Bye.